Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your Oppo model and color OS version so you know which menu labels to expect. Once done, make sure battery is above 20% to avoid shutdowns while changing settings. Open Settings now and use the search box. Type Assistant or Default Apps to jump straight to the relevant screen. You do this because different color OS releases move the Assistant toggle. Searching saves time and prevents accidental changes elsewhere. Now you locate the power button mapping. Navigate to buttons and gestures or default apps. Color names vary. Once there, find the section for the power button short press, long press, or special key mapping. This is where the assistant gets assigned. Tap the assistant or shortcut entry and you will see the currently assigned app, like Gemini or Google Assistant. You check this to confirm the exact component to disable. That prevents accidentally removing other shortcuts or system behaviors. Finally, disable or reassign the power button action. Select None or pick a different app instead of Gemini. Confirm any prompts. If the UI only allows toggling Google Assistant, open that app's settings and disable activation from the power button. Once done, restart the phone if prompted and test by pressing the power button. If Gemini still launches, clear defaults for the Assistant app and uninstall updates. Then repeat the mapping steps. This resolves persistent overrides caused by app-level settings or cached defaults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.